morning children. Welcome to today's session. Let us continue with the chapter Understanding Elementary Shapes. Before moving to the new topic, let us revise whatever we have learned till now. Okay? Do you remember what we have learned? We learned about the line segment and its measurement. Yes? Then we learned about the types of angles. Isn't it or not? What are the types of angles we have learned? We learned about the right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Then we learned about the reflex angle, also about the straight angle. Yes? Then we learned how do you identify these angles in 4 directions. Yes? Do you remember? Also in the clock how to identify these angles. Then after that we learned about the perpendicular lines. Do you remember what do you mean by perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are the lines which intersect in such a way that they form an angle of 90 degree. So such lines are called perpendicular lines. Now let us continue with the chapter. The next part of it is the triangles. Let us learn about the types of triangles. Do you know what do you mean by triangles? As the name indicates, tri in the sense it is three. Triangle. The polygon which has 3 angles, 3 sides and 3 vertices. That is, a polygon means which is a closed figure and it is made up of line segments. So, triangle is the smallest polygon. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Let me name it. Let it be A, B and C. Here, AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, CA is a line segment. And the angles formed here are angle A, angle B and angle C. Here, now we are going to learn about the types of triangles. We will learn about the types of triangles. Okay? Triangles are classified into different types based on its sides and also based on its angles. First, let us see how is it classified based on sides. Look here. A triangle has 3 sides, I told you. Now I will draw a triangle for you. Here a triangle K, L, M. Yes, let me write the measurements of these sides. Here you think it is 5 centimeter. Here also it is 5 centimeter. Here also it is 5 centimeter. What do you find in this triangle? In this triangle you see that all the sides are equal. There are 3 sides. All the 3 sides are having the same measurement. Is it Indora? So this type of triangle where all the sides are equal are called equilateral. Equilateral triangle. This is a symbol for triangle. So it is called equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? Any triangle which has all the 3 sides of same measurement or all the 3 sides are equal. Yes, so it is called equal. So equilateral. Here we have, it is based only on the sides. So this is the first type of triangle where all the sides are equal. Here it is based on sides we are seeing. So the triangle which has all the sides equal are called equilateral triangle. That is the first type of triangle you are learned. Now let us go for the next one. I'll change the measurements and alphabets also I'll change. Now look here. Suppose you think it is triangle XYZ. Yes. Here it is 6 centimeter. Here it is 5 centimeter. Here also it is 5 centimeter, you think. What do you find in this triangle? In this triangle you can see that this and this. That means two sides are having the same measurement. The one of the side is different. Yes, can you make out? Here two sides are equal, one side is different. Before we had all the three sides same, now it is one side is different and both the other two sides are equal. Such type of triangle are called isosceles. Isosceles triangle. They are called isosceles triangle. This is the second type of triangle based on sides. So here two sides are equal and one side is different. I mean they both are same. This is not the same with this. So it is called isosceles triangle. This is the second type of triangle you have learned based on sides. Now I'll draw another triangle. Look at the triangle. Here I'll name it as PQR. By looking into triangle itself, you can make out that all the sides are of different measurement. Look here, I'll give this as 7 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. And this is 4 centimeter. Look at these measurements. All the measurements are of different length. Is it or not? So, a triangle which has all the three sides of different measurement, such type of triangles are called scalene triangle. They are called scalene triangle. Okay? This is the third type of triangle we have learned. So first one we learned about equilateral triangle which has all sides equal. Second type which has two sides equal, it's called isosceles triangle. The third type which has all the three sides different, they are called scalene triangle. So we have learned about three types of triangles based on sides. Okay, hope it is clear children. Now let us see the types of triangle based on angles. Based on angles. Yes, as the name indicates, the triangle has three angles. Now, I'll show you this. This is a triangle. PQR. Now here we are not noting the sides, we are seeing only the angles here. I'll show you. This is a 70 degree. This is 50 degree. This is 60 degree. So this is a triangle which has all the three angles. Look at these angles. What type of angle it is? It's all acute angle. It is having all acute angle. And one more thing, the sum of all the angles in a triangle is always 180 degree. It is 180 degree. Now look here, 70 plus 60 plus 50 will become 180 degree. And all these angles are acute angle. So this type of triangle where all the angles are acute, they are called acute angled. Look at the name, acute angled triangle. They are called acute angled triangle. Here not the sides, we are seeing only the angles. So this is the first type of triangle we have learnt. Okay. Look at the next one. The next type of triangle is I'll give the names for this. X, Y, Z. Here angle is 90 degree. Yes. And you can see the shape of it. It is in L shape. Yes. Here also I'll show another one. Look here. Here also it is L shape. Here 90 degree. If one of the angle in a triangle, the other two angles I am not naming it. If you want, I'll show you. This may be 60 and this is 30. So, if one of the angle is 90 degree, you don't have to see other the angles. If one of the angle is 90 degree, that type of triangle is called right angled triangle. Here also it is right angled triangle. If it is in L shape, look here, there also it is L shape. L shape is 90 degree. 90 degree is right angle. So this angle, this triangle is called right angled triangle. That is the second one we have learned. Let's move on to the third one. Next one we'll see. Look at this angle. Here the angle is 110. Yes, that is more than 90. So HIG. Okay. Here this angle is 110 degree. What about the other angles? Let us see. If it is 110, this let it be 30. So 140, 180. Okay. So this is a, if any of the angle, that means any one of the angle is obtuse. It is more than 90, so it is obtuse angle. Such type of triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Any triangle which has an angle more than 90 degree, that is any one of the angle is more than 90 degree, that is only one angle is obtuse angle. Such triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. So three types of triangles we have learned based on angles. So how many triangles we have learned? Based on sides we have learned three types. Based on angles also we have learned three types of triangles. Isn't it or not? So we have learned three types based on angles and also three types based on sides. Let me show you an example how to identify the triangles. I will give you a measurement. A triangle which has AB equals 6 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter and CA equal to 5 centimeter. Look at the measurements. All the three are having different measurements. So what type of triangle it is? It is scale-in. Here only sides are given, so you can make out all are different, so it is scale-in. Suppose the same way, now you think these two are same. Here also 6. AB and CA are 6 centimeter. Here it is different 7 centimeter. So such type of triangle is called, what triangle it is? Isosceles, because it is having two sides same and one is different. Hope it is clear, children. Now another example you think. Here also it is 6. So all the three sides are of 6 centimeter. So what type of triangle it is? It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Don't think it should be only 6. I'll change now everything. Now look at the other triangle. 8, 8 and 8. What type of triangle it is? Equilateral. If one is different, it is 7 you think. This is isosceles triangle. If all the three are different, it is scale-in triangle. Okay? Hope it is clear. Now, based on sides, you have learned. Based on angles, let me show you. You think angle X is 90 degree. Angle Y is 40 degree. And angle Z is 50 degree. Can you tell what triangle it is? It is having a right angle, so it is right angle triangle. Okay? Another way, I'll show you. Suppose these two, I'll change even this. Now look at this. All the three are acute angles, so it is acute angle triangle. Here now, I'll change again. 120. Now look here. Now this is a obtuse angle triangle. Yes children, this is the thing you have learned now. In today's class, you have learnt about the types of triangles based on, I'll show you, triangles based on sides and based on angles. Based on sides, there are three types. What are they? Can you tell? Equilateral, then isosceles. Also one more type we have, that is scalene. These are the three types of triangles based on sides. Same way, based on angles, which are the three types? Can you tell? One is acute angle, next is right angle, another one is obtuse angle. Yes, so 6 types of triangles we have learned. Based on sides 3 types, based on angles 3 types. Okay, hope it is clear. You have understood the topic, I feel. Okay children, that's it for today. Let us continue our class. See you in the next class. Happy Diwali children. Have a nice day. Thank you.